Hello children, open your ENVT textbook, lesson number 8, Fur. In this lesson, we'll learn about birds and other creatures into separate groups according to their similar and dissimilar characteristics like color, outlook, home habitat, food, movements, likes and dislikes, and various other features. Birds are different from each other in size, color, shape, body parts, food, etc. Every bird has wings. Most birds can fly. Every bird has a beak. It holds its food in the beak to consume it. The beaks of birds are not same. Each beak is different according to the bird's need. Some birds have short beaks while others have long beaks. Some birds have flat beaks while others have crooked beaks. The neck movements in birds is also different. A myna moves its head by jerking it forward and backward. An owl can rotate its neck fully backwards. Food for birds can be grains, roti, and small insects. Some birds kill and eat other small birds or creatures as their food. Some birds eat the flesh of dead creatures and help to keep the earth clean. Birds are helpful in spreading seeds. Birds are useful to us, so we must protect birds. What does a parrot eat? A parrot eats guava, green chilies, insects and fruits with its crooked and sharp beak. What does crane eat? A crane stands still in calm water and catches fish and other aquatic insects and eats them. What is the food of sparrows and mynas? The food of sparrows and myna is grains, insects, termites, worms, etc. The special feature in birds. Every bird has wings. They can fly with their wings. Birds have beaks. They have 2 feet. Their wings and tail help them in flying. They do not have ears but have holes in place of ears. Birds build nests and lay eggs in them. Look at this picture. Owl, bird that can see at night. Peacock, bird with beautiful colorful feathers. Hawk, predatory bird. Parrot, bird with a sharp pointed red beak. Weaver bird, a bird that weaves a lovely nest. Weaver bird, a bird that weaves a lovely nest. How are birds useful? Birds are useful in the following ways. Birds like crows and vultures eat the flesh of dead animals and keep the earth clean. They are known as nature's cleaner. A hen gives eggs and flesh. Birds like myna that eat insects get rid of many insects harmful to crops and help farmers. Birds are helpful in dispersal of seeds. We should keep the following aspects to take care of birds. Put grains on birds' feed platform. Fill water regularly in the vessel kept for birds. We'll take good care of injured birds, not break birds' nest. Instead, look after them. Thank you.